ないと分かんないかなって思った。その凄さっていうか。そうそうそうそう。海に面して海の内陸国だと全然分かんない感覚が。いや、ちょっとね、もうさ泡立ってるのが見えた。波立ってるのが見えた。
Okay, everybody, we are on the bridge, with bridges, Shikoku and Awaji Island. And on the right side, you will see, vortex, water moving around. It is very famous for vortex.
Yes.
So yeah, so the left side, so not right, so left side. Yeah. You see, yeah, there's some, vortex, water is moving around. Yeah, like this. Yeah, because it's a very, not very, but it's a straight. So various kinds of water come in this place. Yeah, this one, yeah, very famous. Yes, famous all over Japan. And I think there are fishing boats over there. So yes.
これ何やってんだろう。これ釣り船かな。
フィッシングでしょうね。何をしてるのか。
まあタイでしょうけどね。でもあんなとこ行ったら絶対もう沈んじゃいますね。すごいな。
Okay, you see Tokushima Prefecture. So we have arrived in Tokushima Prefecture, so Shikoku Island. So this is Naruto City. And this is a very famous museum, art museum, called Otsuka. And if you come you will see a lot of paintings there, famous paintings from all over the world. But they are not the real ones, but all over. So Tokushima is not a very big prefecture. The population is around less than 1 million. But there are several companies such as Otsuka Pharmaceutical, some other companies, for example,
Akashi Kaikyo. Just system.
Just System, which makes